expanding the experience with engine oils from motorcycles and scooters to passenger cars, where I keep on sharing my experience and lab test results with car engine oils. And it is always encouraging to know that you guys take equal interest in these videos. This time we have the Mobil Super 3005W30, which we are using in the 1.2 WagonR. A close friend of mine has used the same in his Honda City Petrol, so some interesting observations are coming in this video. Now before all of this, I wanted to clear some confusion which I get from you guys about the brand Mobil, where many think or assume that Mobil1 is the original brand while Mobil Super is some duplicate or counterfeit product. Well, both Mobil1 and Mobil Super come under ExxonMobil, where Mobil Super is a budget offering. In the past I have shared my experience with Mobil1 ESP on the channel, and now we have Mobil Super 3005W30. This particular engine oil is a ACEA A5 engine oil, and my past experience with A5 engine oils in my 1.2K series rids were decent but noisy. This is primarily because most A5 engine oils have got a lower kinematic viscosity when compared to A3B4 engine oils. Of course, they have got a different formulation for different purpose, but with new generation engines, even Maruti Suzuki has switched to 0W20 grade engine oils. And to my surprise, the Mobil Super 3005W30 performed really well in the WagonR 1.2. This oil has got a kinematic viscosity of 9.8 mm square per second at 100 degrees Celsius, which brings it closer to 0W20 grade engine oils. The same can be observed with the kinematic viscosity of 53 mm square per second at 40 degrees Celsius, which looks way lower in front of Shell Helix HX8 5W30 that offers around 70 mm square per second at 40 degrees Celsius and 11.93 mm square per second at 100 degrees. The same can be found with Castrol Magnetic 5W30, which is again a A3B4 engine oil like the Shell. In layman terms, the Mobil Super 3005W30 is a thinner oil that actually works in favor of the WagonR 1.2. Now coming to the fuel efficiency, the numbers are good even for the Honda City, but he said the Mobil1 ESP performed better for him as the IV Tech enjoyed high RPMs with it. Although the Mobil Super is a budget offering and it offers decent performance, but this 2000 rupees price segment is filled with some serious competition, and while I was purchasing this, there were competitions available at a lower price. Let me know in the comment section if you want a comparison video on the same. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys have liked it.